Hi guys, how are we doing? As you can see from the title, we've hit 100 subscribers. Well, in fact, we've actually surpassed 100 subscribers. To date, as this video is going out, we're actually on 108. So, oh yeah, that's an episode coming up. Well, I better turn you around so you can't really see that. So, what happened? About 4 or 5 days ago, it was on 98 and 99 subscribers, and I was like, oh, we're getting close. Then all of a sudden, over the past 3 days, it went from 99 all the way up to 108, and I thought, oh Christ, I haven't even made a video about this. So just a quick update, basically we're over 100 subscribers. First milestone that I set myself, we've hit it, we've done it, we've gone past it, we've smashed past it. So I'm super excited about this. I just want to say thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. Thank you everyone who comments on this channel saying how much you enjoy watching this. I had a few friends that said they're really enjoying it, they're learning a few things, which is exactly the reason why I started doing this. Just want people who aren't in the industry to learn something. Oh, my phone's ringing. Probably someone saying they want to subscribe. Anyway, where were we? Been super happy that everyone's been, all the kind words everyone's said. It's been made me feel better that you are learning something. Like a friend of mine, he said that he watched episode 3.5 about the plans, and he just said he'd never really known about plans. Oh, that reminds me, I had my first ever video request by a subscriber. Don't worry, I haven't forgotten about you. That video is going to be coming up most probably in the new year. And the video will be about how to read plans and how to set out windows. Specifically, this is what this guy had asked for. But we'll get to that. We'll get to that in the new year. But anyway, just big thank you to all of you, and let's go on. Let's keep going. Next one is 500 subscribers. Let's see if we can get that, and just the sky's the limit. Just keep going and going. It's so exciting. Also, I put a post up on my Facebook page a while back now saying that I was on, how many was on? I think I was on 76 or 77 subscribers. I have to check. My girlfriend said that there was going to be fizzy pop and there was going to be cake when I hit 100 subscribers. We're well over that, so there'll be a bit of that straight after I sign off here. Tell your mum, tell your gran, tell your kids, tell everyone about this channel, get them subscribed to it, and we're going to get up to this next 500 subscriber milestone, and we're just going to surpass that. We're just going to hammer through it, run through it, just keep going and going and going. If you like down below, I'll send you some cake. Little bribe there. Right, okay, so no worries, take care, have a good one. Remember, like, subscribe, ring the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. So take care, see you later.